What's up guys, it's time to talk about the DSLR that you can carry in your pocket. Yes, the upcoming Google Pixel 4 Pocket DSLR got leaked. Not just its renders, but today we have live images, full specs, surprising camera specs, and some official information. So first one, the live images. So previously we have seen its spec design, but now the front also got leaked, confirming the full forehead and non-existent chin, which we have seen from official information that was released by Google. So now moving to specifications which got leaked by 9 to 5 Google. According to them, the Pixel 4 will feature a 5.7-inch Full HD Plus display, and Pixel 4 XL will have a 6.3-inch Quad HD Plus display. So now everyone is moving to Full HD Plus panel in their standard variants. Like Note 10 also has a Full HD Plus panel, but the surprising part is that Note 10 has 60 Hz of refresh rate display, whereas in Google's department both Pixel 4 and 4 XL will be having a 90 Hz display, just like the OnePlus 7 Pro and upcoming Mate 30 Pro, and Google will be calling this a smooth display officially. Now towards the back, we all know both Pixel 4 and 4 XL having a square camera module. The main camera sensor is going to be 12 megapixel with face detection autofocus and 16 megapixel telephoto camera. I would really like if there will be an ultra wide angle camera, but the telephoto camera is still okay. And if you heard any news like Pixel 4 is having a 20x hybrid zoom or optical zoom, so that news are wrong. The picture that was published by Google's official was taken with Pixel 3a. Currently there is no news on how much this camera sensor can zoom up to, but Pixel 3a has this power, so you can definitely expect similar type of 20x or 10x lossless zoom shots with Pixel 4 family. Now as for the surprising Pocket DSLR, so Pixel 4 has DSLR-like software features which Google has reportedly built. Google is still the king of smartphone camera, and as we know, their camera game is all about software, but this year we are also seeing a big changes into their camera hardware. But that's not enough. Pixel 4 will also be having some really big gains into its camera software. So previously it was expected that Google will add some kind of DSLR like lens support, but this has been corrected and updated with new information which says that Pixel 4 will have DSLR like software features. Now 16 megapixel telephoto camera also plays a great role in these types of features. Google could also be using this sensor for portrait images. And not only that, Google Pixel 4 will also be having a third sensor which is going to be a spectral sensor. Previously it was expected that it is the time of flight camera, but as we have seen in official images and live hands-on, Pixel 4 only has 3 circles or holes or cutouts in total, whereas the TOF camera requires 2 circles on its own, one for the light and the other one for the camera, but it has only 3 holes. So I also do think it has the spectral sensor. Now in case you don't know what is spectral sensor, so this sensor would allow Pixel 4 to capture accurate color information of the shots, and then with the help of Pixel software it will boost that colors, boost brightness, contrast and other things, and will give you the best image. This sensor would be really great in dark environments where it would pick accurate color informations and give you the realistic night mode shots. Under the hood it will have a Snapdragon 855 processor, which is good because it will consume less power, 6 gigs of RAM with 64 and 128 gigs of internal storage, which is quite low, but still it's okay because just like previous Pixels, it's gonna have unlimited storage for photos and videos. Pixel 4 will have 2800 mAh battery, which is even smaller than Pixel 3's 2915 mAh battery, and this time it also has a 90 Hz display which consume more power, and Pixel 4 XL will have 3700 mAh battery, which is 260 mAh bigger than the last year's model. Now as for the other features, so it will have full 3D Face ID system, solid radar chip for advanced level of eye gestures, Titan M security chip, Google Assistant 2.0 and Android 10.0 Q. So yeah, that's all on Pixel 4 now. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for the full coverage on Pixel 4, and why not support this channel to like this video, it would really be appreciated. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you soon.